What's up, YouTube? I got the Verizon iPhone 4S today, the day it launched, and there's not a lot of unboxing videos on there right now, so I figured I would go ahead and add one. This is the white 32 gigabyte model. I don't know if you can see that well. I've already got the plastic torn, so that way I could easily get it off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. Okay, and pumpkin. Bam. And there she be. It's freaking sexy. Got it in, what is that? A piece of dust? Oh, that's the plastic cover on the back. I feel stupid. I thought it came with a scratch on it. I was about to start pitching a fit. Let's go ahead and set that right there for right now. And you've probably seen a million other videos of what's inside, so I'm not going to go too in depth. You know, you got your manual, fingertips, blah blah blah, boring stuff. Headphones, connector piece, wall charger. It's pretty much the same packaging as the iPhone 4. It looks exactly identical to the iPhone 4. Pretty much all the improvements are inside the phone. And so let's go ahead and get a nice and that is what comes in the iPhone 4S for Verizon. Pumpkin.